Rediscovering ancient Indian foods, pre-colonial delights. Namaste, food lovers. Today, we journey back in time to a time before the world knew of India's culinary magic. Imagine, if you will, the aroma of spices wafting through bustling markets. The foundation, grains and staples. Before the arrival of wheat and potatoes, our ancestors thrived on the strength of indigenous grains. Millets, those tiny but mighty seeds, jawar, bajra, ragi, were the very heartbeat of our meals. Picture this, fields swaying with these hardy grains, their resilience echoing the spirit of our people. These staples weren't just food, they were powerhouses of nutrition, ground into flour, transformed into breads, the very sustenance of life. And then there was rice. Rice. Not just any rice, mind you, but fragrant varieties like basmati, each grain a tiny pearl, releasing its aroma as it cooked. Imagine the anticipation, the joy, as families gathered around steaming pots of pongal, a celebration of rice, a symbol of prosperity, or perhaps a delicate pulao, each grain separate, infused with the essence of spices, fit for royalty. Indigenous vegetables and lentils. Our ancestors lived in harmony with nature, respecting the bounty of the land. Picture vibrant green drumsticks, their unique flavor adding depth to simple stews. Imagine the humble gourd, transformed into delicious curries, its subtle sweetness complementing the spices. And who can forget the jackfruit, a true marvel of nature, its meaty texture and unique flavor lending itself to both savory and sweet dishes. But what truly elevated these vegetables were the lentils, moong with its delicate flavor, urad with its earthy richness. Each dal a blank canvas for the artistry of Indian cooking. Picture, if you will, a simmering pot of sambar, its aroma filling the air, the tartness of tamarind balancing the richness of lentils and vegetables. Or perhaps a simple dal, tempered with ghee and spices, served with steaming hot rice, food that nourished the body and soul. Sweet delights with natural sweeteners. Even in a time before refined sugar, our ancestors possessed a remarkable ingenuity when it came to sweetness. Jaggery, that golden nectar derived from sugarcane, lent its rich caramel-like flavor to countless desserts. Imagine the aroma of jaggery being melted, transforming into glistening ladus, each bite a burst of sweetness. Honey, too, played a starring role, its delicate floral notes elevating simple desserts to new heights. Picture a bowl of creamy payasam, its sweetness enhanced by the subtle aroma of honey, a dessert fit for the gods. And let us not forget halwa, that comforting melt-in-your-mouth delight, made with everything from carrots to bottle gourds, sweetened to perfection with jaggery or honey. These sweets weren't just treats, they were a testament to the resourcefulness of our ancestors, a testament to their ability to find sweetness in the simplest of things. Chapter 4. Dairy and its role in cuisine. Dairy, in pre-colonial India, was more than just an ingredient. It was an integral part of our culinary heritage. Ghee, that golden elixir, held a revered place in our kitchens. Imagine the aroma of ghee as it melted, its nutty fragrance infusing every dish it graced. From rich curries to decadent sweets, ghee was the very essence of richness and flavor. And then there was paneer, fresh cheese, made with just milk and a touch of acid. Imagine the soft, pillowy texture of paneer, soaking up the flavors of gravies, or being transformed into delectable sweets. It was a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, their ability to transform something as simple as milk into a culinary masterpiece. But dairy wasn't just about richness and indulgence. Buttermilk, a staple in many households, was the perfect antidote to the scorching Indian summer. Imagine a tall glass of spiced buttermilk, its tangy flavor cooling you down from within, a true blessing in the heat. Chapter 5. Spices and Herbs, the heart of Indian flavors. Indian spices have enchanted the world for centuries. Turmeric, a golden symbol of auspiciousness, infuses curries with its earthy aroma. Cardamom adds elegance to dishes. Roasted cardamom fills the air with warmth. Black pepper, once a black gold, adds depth to countless dishes. Tamarind balances the richness of curries. These spices are the soul of Indian cooking, Each adds its unique character to a symphony of flavors. Chapter 6. Drinks and Beverages. In a land blessed with abundant sunshine, our ancestors found ingenious ways to quench their thirst. Toddy, a naturally fermented beverage made from the sap of palm trees, was a popular drink, its sweet, slightly tangy flavor offering respite from the heat. Imagine the refreshing taste of toddy on a hot summer day, a taste of nature's bounty. And then there was spiced buttermilk, a simple yet incredibly refreshing drink. Imagine the coolness of buttermilk spiced with cumin, ginger, and green chilies, each sip a revitalizing experience. But our ancestors didn't just drink to quench their thirst. They understood the power of herbs and their healing properties. Herbal teas, made with tulsi, ginger, and other local ingredients, weren't just beverages, they were tonics, each sip a step towards good health and well-being. Chapter 7. A Grand Feast. As we've journeyed through the landscape of pre-colonial Indian cuisine, we've witnessed a story of resourcefulness, ingenuity, and a deep connection to nature. Imagine a table laden with these ancient delicacies: steaming millet breads, fragrant rice dishes, vibrant vegetable curries, and delicate sweets. This wasn't just a meal, it was a celebration of life, a celebration of the earth's bounty. Each dish, a testament to the wisdom passed down through generations, a culinary legacy that continues to inspire us today. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, take a moment to appreciate the journey of each ingredient, the history that's woven into every bite. Let's cherish and rediscover these timeless treasures, for in them lies the true essence of Indian cuisine. Friends, our journey into the heart of pre-colonial Indian food ends here, but the story continues. These ancient flavors, born of tradition and nurtured by nature, are more than just recipes. They are a testament to the enduring spirit of India. As we rediscover these culinary treasures, let's carry forward the legacy of our ancestors, celebrating their wisdom and ingenuity in every bite. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. Join me again as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of Indian cuisine, uncovering hidden gems and sharing stories that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your soul. Until then, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep the love of food alive.